Hi, Dr. Mario, BizCrown Media. So, you might have heard of artificial intelligence, which is quite trendy now, and you might be wondering, how do I use it with digital marketing? It's absolutely important now that you start to consider that because artificial intelligence makes a huge difference. Think about it. These are systems that can work on your behalf and do it actually more precisely than you can. But let's start. Let's give you 3 ways, and let's start with the first one. First one is using things like chatbots. So now you can have a chatbot that's customized, which you might have used before, that'll answer questions for customers and actually perform it better than you because they can be there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, being able to answer questions that you've programmed in there. The second one is personalization. Now we can have systems that can actually see what we like and what your customers like and how they like it. And as a result, you can create and produce content or products that can communicate with them at their level. Or you can create products that they'll actually like and recommend it to them. The next one is actually using artificial intelligence to create content. What? Have you heard of that? Yes. You can use artificial intelligence tools now to create phenomenal content that just requires minor tweaking at the end. You can create blogs, you can create articles, you can create videos, you can create images, photos, so much content, little stories. There's just so many tools now that are out there that you could actually use. So that's 3 ways that you could use artificial intelligence right now in digital marketing. The first is through chatbots, second is through personalization, and the third is through creating content. Hope this helps. Take care.